Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I'll show you how to find and remove friends on Snapchat. So this is actually pretty easy, you just need to follow the steps that I'll be showing you. So first thing that we could do here in Snapchat is we want to first open up Snapchat and we want to go to, maybe later here for this, let's want to go to our chat section. So from here, for example, I want to remove this specific user here. So I'm just going to manage friendships here and just basically remove friend. So just click on remove. So here for you to find that friend, we want to actually just start looking for them. So for example, we just want to click on the search button at the top of our screen there. You could just basically search for that specific user. So for example, the user is actually Bob Andrews, and from here you have results that you could choose from. You may be able to see that specific user here. If you still remember their name, you could just basically start searching for their name, or you could just basically enter their username or user handle here, like as you can see, Bob underscore Andrews and something like that. If you still remember that, you could basically enter it here. But if you can't see that user, you could actually use the quick search function at the top right of your screen there. That's the user with the plus icon there. And from here, there's the add section here. So just basically you just want to hover or just look for the user that you're currently looking for and basically just add him back in here. So if you aren't able to find them here and it's taking much time for us to actually look for that specific user, then I would suggest you to an alternative way for you to actually find this one, but it's going to be kind of long, so you have to bear with it. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left of your screen. And from here, there's your account here. You want to click on the settings at the top right. And from here, you want to scroll at the very bottom until you see the My Data section. So if this is the first time you actually accessing the My Data section for Snapchat, it's actually going to ask you to log in. So just enter your username and password to proceed. Once you've done that, you'll see this UI here. So to get you started, you first want to click on next, but before that, you want to make sure that you select the proper information that you want to actually get. So this is all your data you could actually extract from your account. So just click on next. So in here, you also have the option to change the date range of the data you want to extract. So when you click on that, you have the yesterday, last week, last month, and last year. So you could get at least a year of your data. So let's just choose last year. And from here, you just need to click on submit, and it's going to actually start generating or exporting your information or your data on Snapchat. So it's going to actually take a few days or even a week for this to complete, depending of the amount of data you have on your account. But yeah, if you only have like small amounts of data in your account, it's just gonna take a few hours, like what happened to mine. But once you have received that information or that email, this is what's going to look like. So I'm going to show you this one real quickly. So it's going to say your Snapchat data is ready for download. So for you to access that, you could actually access that via the previous UI that we went, or by just clicking on the click here link that you see on your screen. But since we're already in the Snapchat section here, let's just go back here in My Data, and you'll be able to see the See Export section. So that's the actual data that we want to get. So just click on See Exports and just click on Download. It's going to download a zip file from your account into your device itself. So just wait for the download to start to get us started. So now if you can't access the file via the application itself, then you'll have to go to the email link instead. So just click here, and from here open up any browser that you have, and from here it's going to ask you to log in. So enter your password and your email address from there, and from here you'll be led into the same UI that we actually went. So just click on See Exports and just click on Download, and from here just click on Download again. If you already downloaded, since I already downloaded it, it's going to ask me to download again. And from here you just need to go to your download section. Don't actually open this directly here. So let's just go to our file manager here, and from here we want to go to our downloads. Now in our downloads, we want to look for the My Data section. Just click on it. And from here, you want to click on extract files to, and you want to extract this to a specific folder you could easily access. So that's under the documents for me, and just click on extract. Now here, it's going to say finish extracting, and now I want to go to my documents. So just click on the folder at the top center of your screen. From here, I want to go to documents. Now in documents, I want to look for the folder. So that's usually my data. So this is the one. And from here, I want to click on index here and open up it in any browser that I have right now. And in here at the left section of my screen, you should be able to see different settings here. So we want to look for friends. So just click on friends here. If that doesn't work, so if it says your file couldn't be accessed, then we'll have to actually access it manually from our folder. So let's just go back here into all folders, and you want to go to HTML, and from here you want to manually look for the friends.html. So go ahead and open that up, choose a browser, and from here you should be able to see all of the users that you befriended into your account, and basically look for them here, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.